Welcome, so today I am with REALME GT 2 Pro and I want to show you a couple camera tricks. And at the first we are going to simply start from the standard modes and we can go for the automatic and manually brightness adjustment. So normally when you want to adjust brightness level you have to just tap on the screen, right? And as you can see the phone automatically adjusts the brightness level. But when you move the sun icon you can decrease and increase brightness level. It also works in the other modes, like for example in the video mode, but right now this slider you will find at the bottom of the screen. In this place. Okay, so right now we can go forward and we can for example change color and the temperature. To make it you have to click in this place. Switch to the filters and as you can see right now we can find default presets. So for example, if you want to take a photo with this one, for example, just select, click on the shutter, and right now we can record video, just like that, because we are actually in the video mode. Of course, it works the same in the photo mode. If you want to get rid of that filters, you have to go back and pick original. It works the same in the photo and the video mode, just like that. Okay, the next tip, how to zoom and zoom in and zoom out. So basically you can find right here 3 presets. It's ultra wide lens, normal lens, and for sure there is this telephoto lens. But when you click another time you will find 2 additional presets, 5x and 10x, and also you are able to use this slider. As you can see with this slider we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. Just like that. It works the same when you pinch screen with the 2 fingers. You can hold with one and with the second you can just zoom in. You can try to focus on the object in front of you. Okay, so that was about the zooming. When you click and hold the shutter, you can take series of the photo. When you click once, you can take photo. When you use the volume buttons, that you will find them right here. Take a look. You can also take photos, and when you click and hold, just like that, there's nothing linked with the volume up. But when you click and hold volume down, you can also take a series of the photo. Okay, right now when you click on this 3 dots, you can find delay to our shutter. 3 or 10 seconds. So when you pick this one and then click on the shutter, after this time photo will be taken. So that's definitely a useful option when you try to take the group photos with your friends, for example, and when you are using the tripod. Okay, right now we can go for the more modes, and what is interesting option right here, that's the ultra wide lens. But take a look. How wide is this camera? That's crazy. If you try to take this photo from the normal standard mode on the ultra wide lens, there's no way. Let's take a look on the comparison. Of course, let's enable the auto rotate screen. There it is, and just take a look. That's the ultra wide lens, and that's this second mode. Amazing point of view. So if you want to get more details, if you want to catch more objects in your photo, definitely you can use this mode that you will find in the more modes right here. Okay, and there's also that's very rare option. It's called the Microscope. Take a look how great it works. For example, we can take a look maybe on this remote. So we have to get it very close to our lenses and just take a look how many details we can spot on this red button. That's how it looks in the front of the camera. Let me just catch focus right here with my hand. Okay, And there it is, the focus on the button, and that's how it looks when you put it in front of our micro lens on the REALME GT2 Pro. That's actually crazy amount of the details, and we can also zoom in to the 40 times. Take a look. That looks amazing. I can, for example, use my hand. We can point right here and take a look on my skin. That's crazy. So yeah, you can spot really tiny objects on your skin. So you got 20x and 40x, and also there's the information how we can use this mode, and there is also, you know, some kind of, I don't know how it called, some kind of filters or something like that. Looks crazy. I don't know how to use it basically, but maybe you will find out. Okay, and right now I think that's time to simply switch to the settings, where we can find other options, like for example we can go for the shining methods, when we can use option tap to capture. So right now with this option we can simply click on the screen and we can take photos. Okay, let's go back, let's turn it off. We can also adjust the quick launch option, so when we enable this feature, turn off the screen and then double tap on the volume down button, we can quickly open our camera application. Just like that. That's great, right? Okay, so honestly, that's all for this smartphone. What I can say, that's really great device with a lot of crazy amount of the modes, features and options for a good price. Definitely I can recommend this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.